YouTube, we're back. Welcome back to Always a Double Down. Like, share, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. We won't take too much time, but we'll get right into it. These $10 scratchers are nice, but they still carry the curse of what I've been dealing with since playing $5 scratchers. I hope, as long as I don't see that number, the number that shall not be numbered or stated, I think we'll be fine. We're due for a win, or at least I hope so. The number that shall not be named decided it wants to party today. It's one of those, if you know, you know. And yep, very volatile cards. Very volatile scratchies. I think we've only had one win of our 10s this whole week. I thought, okay, cool. Finally a fresh new start with a new card. Yeah, well. We'll see what we can do tomorrow. I'll catch you guys later.